First, open Notion. On the left sidebar, you'll see your existing pages and databases. Click New Page in the left sidebar to create a new page. At the top of the page, click the title field and enter the name of your database. You can name it something like Projects, or any name you prefer. Below the page title, you'll see the Get Started section. Click the three dots in this area to view more options, then select Table. If Notion asks what data source you'd like to use, select New Empty Database. Alternatively, you can click outside the prompt to create a new table. You should now see an empty database table. Click the first empty cell under the name column and enter your first item or project name. Great! You've created your first database. Next, we'll create another database that will connect to the first one. Again, click New Page in the left sidebar. Enter a title for your second database, such as Tasks, or any name you choose. Just like before, go to the Get Started section, click the three dots, and select Table. Choose New Empty Database if prompted. Once the table appears, click the first empty cell under the name column and add an item. Now you have two separate databases ready to be linked together. Open the second database you created. At the far right of the column headers, click the plus button to add a new property. In the Property menu, click the Property Type field. You'll see many available property types. Scroll down or use the search bar to find Relation. ALG. Select Relation from the list. Now choose the first database you created as the database you want to relate to. Give this relation property a name, then enable Show On to Other Database, or the two-way relation option. You can also customize the reciprocal property name that will appear in the first database. Once you're done, click Add Relation. Congratulations! Your databases are now connected through a two-way relation. In the second database, click an empty cell under the relation property you just created. A relation picker will appear. Select an item from the first database to create the connection. To verify the relationship, open the first database from the left sidebar. You should see the reciprocal relation property automatically created. Then, go back to the second database and confirm that the linked item appears there as well. This means your databases are successfully connected using a two-way relational database setup. And that's it. You now know how to create and use relational databases in Notion. This feature is incredibly useful for connecting projects, tasks, clients, and many other types of information.